Welcome back to the channel. This is Point of View Cars, and today we're driving the Ford Puma. It's their all-new SUV. It's the 2020 version, thanks to the Ford store in Helsinki, Laakkonen. It's an EcoBoost hybrid. So let's go for a drive. So we are once again approaching the end of the video, so let's talk about the car. I really like driving this thing. It felt very smooth, very responsive. The steering is very light, and overall I think the engine also worked pretty well. It's a mild hybrid, so it has some regenerative braking. It only has a 1-liter petrol engine with 125 horsepower. At least this car, there's also 155 horsepower alternative, but this is the titanium version. So the mild hybrid system definitely helps in regards to having such a small engine. Let's go through some interior. The seats are very comfortable. They're all fabric, as you can see, but very comfortable, trust me. We have some fabric over here, and we have this red piece here, which is a bit interesting. Overall, I do like the trim here. We have this compartment with a USB socket and some storage. We have our handbrake. We have the different driving modes, which are normal, eco, sport, slippery, and trail. We have the traction control button, the park assist, it will help you park, the auto stop and off, and the parking beeps, which you can get off from there. We have a USB point here. This is a wireless charging pad, so you just put your phone here and it will charge it up. We have a 12-volt socket. We have the climate controls, and the best features here are definitely the heated steering wheel and the heated windscreen. That is definitely a crucial thing if you live in a country where there is snow and very cold. So we have the entertainment system here. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and overall I definitely like the look of it. Let's go through some mobile apps. You can't see anything there, but I don't know, I definitely like it. It looks good. It's very responsive. Phone, different settings here, and you can do a bunch of different things with it. And so yeah, I definitely like the entertainment system. We have a pretty big glove box with somebody's headphones. No start and stop button here, but we have our digital display there in the middle. It's a bit smaller, but it works well. You see kilometers, driver assistance, some navigation, radio channels, phone, different settings, trip computer, you know, your basic stuff. We have an adaptive cruise control, which is very good in my opinion. We have auto high beams here. We have the light switches and all LED, of course. And yeah, we have some more fabric. Overall, I like the look of the interior. I think it's pretty good. I like it. I would definitely upgrade to the full digital display. You have to up another level to get that, but I definitely think it is worth it. So another thing is we have massage seats here in the front, which in my opinion is very cool. Let's quickly jump into the back. So we are in the back of the Ford Puma. It's pretty good. I have some good knee room. I have some good headroom. We have some nuts here to hold your iPad or whatever you want to keep. What is this? This is a Ford page for what is in this car. As you can see, it's 25,261 euros here and 44 cents. So, I mean, overall, I definitely like the look of the Ford Puma. I think it is a well-made car, and you definitely should go and test drive one if you even have a slight edge to do it, or you think maybe, I don't know, go do it. I think you will enjoy this car. It's pretty cheap for what it offers. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later as always. Bye.